Okay, Yiska, we're going to try to do this example mentally. How many x's do you see on this side of the equation?
3 and 4.
And on this side?
2.
How many x's can we subtract from both sides?
2.
And how many are we left with?
2.
2 x's on which side? Okay, so on this side of the equation we have 2 x's. Now let's look at the constants. We have a constant of 1 and 11. How much can we take away from both sides?
1.
What are we left with?
10.
So we have 2 x's worth 10. How much is each x?
5.
5. Would you take the pen, please, and write down x equals 5? And let's do the check to see if it works. If each x is 5, how much are 3x?
15.
And 5?
20.
And 1?
21.
Please write down 21 for the check. Equals? Okay, if each x is 5, how much are 2 x's? And 11? Okay, please write down equals 21. Okay, so the answer is x equals 5 and the check is 21 equals 21. Okay, good.